Hi everyone, I'm the founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com, and we are in that season. It's sore throat season. My little girl skipped school today because she had a sore throat. So here we are looking at teas for sore throat. We have one in particular that I formulated specifically for the throat chakra, as well as the vocal cords and for sore throat, and that is Quintessence. And this has marshmallow root in it, which has been proven to protect the vocal cords as well as the gut lining. So the whole esophageal, lining and everything into the gut is very precious and tender. Even though it's powerful and it digests food, you got to take care of it. And marshmallow root is great for that. I also added into this a touch of ginger, and ginger is a great antiviral. A lot of people don't realize that ginger is not only great for nausea, but it's an antiviral. I also added cinnamon into this. A lot of people don't realize that cinnamon is antiviral, as well as helps balance blood sugar, very high in antioxidants. And then I also added a touch of green tea. So you don't have to really worry about the caffeine content in this blend because there's only a touch, but green tea is also an extremely powerful antiviral and immune booster. So blending all of these things together, the marshmallow root, the green tea, the ginger, the cinnamon, there's an apple and honey crystals in this tea, and honey is really beautiful. It helps for coating the throat. Basically this tea, it's interesting too, because it looks like, so this is marshmallow root in action. Marshmallow root is almost like it's a lubricant basically. So it's got like this creamy, almost a milky type of texture. So as you drink it, you can feel it actually soothing your throat. So it also helps with intestinal tract. So if there's any constipation happening or anything like that, it will help your intestinal tract. It also helps with leaky gut syndrome and IBS. So marshmallow root helps keep you regular, and it's because it's the same type of lining through your entire digestion. Like digestion starts in the mouth and goes all the way out the other end. And so how do you say that? Well, anyway, so green tea is also rich in polyphenols, antioxidants, scientifically proven to lower bad cholesterol. I mean, there's all these plethora of health benefits with these ingredients, but primarily they were combined and formulated by me to help with sore throat and to help the esophageal lining and to help heal your vocal cords. So Quintessence is the tea for sore throat. You can also use any of the other ginger and herbal soothing teas that we have. Citrine Cleanse, Moringa Moon, we have Lucid Dreams, as well as the lovely ginger pineapple salutation. But Quintessence is really the tea for sore throat, and look at that beautiful milky texture. So that creates an incredible lining, soothing the lining of the esophagus and the vocal cords. Did I just say esophagus? And it tastes amazing. It tastes like apple pie with a little cinnamon and honey and ginger. And this is my son's favorite, and he loves this tea, and it is such a joy to drink. You can drink it when you don't have a sore throat, but it's excellent for when you do. So you can find more teas for your wellness at clubmagichour.com. We'll see you there.